You gotta start the day off right, bro. Some coffee. What's going on, guys?
Can I switch my shirt first before you do all this, please? I look like a retard already.
I'll start this shit back up when he switches his shirt. Damn princess. Fire. What's going on, guys? Back again with another video, and today we're working on the Rsx Type S. You got issues. I'm not finna deal with your issues today. Yo, fish. I'm talking to you. Yo. I'm trying to be like my brother when I go outside. That boy got the Infinity and he got kids. Hold on, he got kids, alright.
Oh shit, my dog here! My dog! I'm on the train to that. Who pinned them out for you?
Can pay mine. You can pay mine.
That's fine. I mean, honestly,
Yeah, record?
I can give you this
Yeah.
one. I can give you this one. Give me yours.
Alright, bet.
You know, I was thinking too, when we were at the junkyard the other day, we should have took that valve cover. We need to start taking valve cover.
You know that motor gone, right?
Yeah.
After he posted that video, yeah. And he didn't put anywhere in there that we got the motor. See the sadness of his heart.
Trying to get a 20 right now. Let's see this new selling this one. It's painted stock manifold.
Yeah.
Shiny. You see that one, 750?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got 5 right now. I know we're thinking about it. It's been up for a while. I might just get that one.
Alright. Anything possible with you?
All right.
Ready?
Yeah,
It's going to
okay. You want to put it in the middle?
I'm gonna take it off.
kick it up there.
I'll do mine today now.
What? Walk power? Ready?
I'm gonna do it.
Huh?
I'm doing
You
it.
could do it over there. Something else.
Cause I just want to do your. I just want to get your card. I just want you to go in it, put it in the first gear, move off.
Don't even
That's
start
it.
with that. That's right. See, it's there.
Yep.
I'll go and get that.
Yo, the disrespect. Alright. Well, just hitching on something. Y'all got the wrong clutch kit.
Let's see. I picked it up like the other. Yeah. Oh no.
Just hitching on something. You did that in a hurry, didn't you?
I never put these shits in a hurry. Fuck that. That's something else. That's what I don't like using pilot bearings. Yeah, I don't use regular flywheel bolts. Only pressure plate bolts.
Fuel real. You got some money, dog.
That was bought way back in November, October.
No.
Not October,
Alternator.
that got hit like 2 months later.
I always have a storage.
Yeah.
Risky. Risky. Where's that risky come from?
One of my homeboys.
Friday? That Friday nigga?
No, one of my
They look a crack. They look a.
Wow.
Yeah, that always having stuff. He's coming around, yo, yeah. What is life? Got a manifold.
First though, that would be Zell.
Oh, so you use Zell then?
Hey, he has a
You Zell nasty, dog. You a nasty nigga.
Zell was nice. What you mean?
That nigga was nasty, dog.
You know, taking off the clutch? Yeah, I'm putting it on the That ain't gonna work. That shit's too big.
Years later.
This was the reason. Wasn't going on. Only risky build type stuff.
Kiss my ass.
Fire, yeah, man. Yo, watch it, yo.
I say you had
That's where you could bomb boy. You look on the one on.
happened to me a couple days ago.
Move it, I don't want your ear to touch me.
Yo, the fastest car out there right now. Ain't it, Roger? The Maxima?
Yes, Maximum Roger.
Fuck yeah.
Yo, man, that's something team, bro.
Car they run now. Nobody can hold that fuck over there.
Every time you finish, I'm gonna say delivery now. You can start trying to fuck this nigga.
No, Roger.
No,
Roger, fast, yeah.
Yeah, I come for Roger, I know that. Yeah, something right.
You're gonna bring it back to happy. I wouldn't say 2 and a half and make less than what they heard you in the bottle. I which fast car that went him? I come in him.
No, Cam.
Yeah.
Cam went to Durf.
I won't, no man, went to happy. Somebody went to happy and retool. It's still not a clue, but it's too much message now. 500 and something message.
I ain't trying to get involved
I run me and pick up yourself.
with the tuners.
You see how I look out this morning early. Huh? Yeah, don't worry. Sitting on the backboard.
Yo, watching the back now, my watch man.
Get out.
Alright, if you guys need B-Series mounts for Integra, just hit me up, you know. Brand new, never used. Just hit me up.
What's the Instagram, bro? Wow.
Like you don't know where the K24 car is?
Yeah, must be nice, dog. Oh, fast. K-swap cars.
My car ain't gonna move. My car heavy, no, remember that?
This shit heavy too. This shit's a boat.
But they ain't got shit.
This is a baby Accord. That's all it is. It's a baby CL.
So we got the behind the scenes. You feel me? We gonna see who is gonna get the motor in the car first. The Rsx or the Integra.
Rsx.
But no, Reynardo, this shit not gonna be done until tomorrow.
Damn, dog.
This slave, dog. Man, look like a healthy slave, dog. Eating all the con.
Nobody sells this.
I have no idea. Oh! Alright, hold on. the content's getting better, yo. Right now we are at 284 subscribers, almost 300, and for my actually 287 subscribers. So for my 300 subscriber, I will be giving away our first batch of t-shirt. I'll be giving away 2 or 3 t-shirts and limited stickers that I will have. So 300 subscriber, t-shirts and stickers will be out. Just be mindful. I'm almost there, 13 subscribers away. This is a milestone. This is within a month. That is awesome. You guys are awesome, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys encourage me to sit here and edit these videos, go out and create content for you guys, and that is amazing, and I want to thank you guys for it. So thanks for watching the videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay blessed, yo.